Hello students, this is Poonam teacher back with a new video of Science 2. In my previous videos, I have taught you to generate electricity from the conventional sources like coal, natural gas, then nuclear fuels like uranium and plutonium and so on. So in this video, we shall deal with green energy, and green energy is the eco-friendly energy which do not causes any kind of pollution and which is never ending. The sources are not going to be end forever. So these are not going to be end. So uh, like this never ending sources can be used for the generation of electricity, and those sources are water, wind, sunlight and biofuels. So in this video I'll teach you hydroelectric energy. Now this hydro means water, and from water when we create the electricity, that is known as hydroelectric energy. So what happens into this is the kinetic energy of the flowing water is made to move onto the turbine, and the turbine is attached to the generator, where the kinetic energy of the water is going to be converted into electrical energy, and this is how electricity will be produced. So into the water reservoir, water will be stored into the, and it will possess potential energy, because potential energy is the energy on account of the position of any object or any substance. So as the water is not moving, it is steady, it is stationary, that is why it possesses the potential energy. Then that potential energy of the water will be converted into kinetic energy when the water will be flowing. So that flowing water will be circulated onto the turbine, and then that turbine is connected to the generator, with the kinetic energy of that water will be converted into electrical energy, and this is how electricity will be produced into the hydroelectric power plant. You can see these different stages of hydroelectric power plant. First is water reservoir with potential energy, then the water will be made to flow, then it will be drive on to the turbine. The turbine will be connected to the generator. Here the kinetic energy of the water will be converted into electrical energy. And see students, here is one mistake, that electricity generation using wind energy. Here it should not be wind, but instead of this wind there should be water. So write here water. Then potential energy in the water is converted into kinetic energy of flowing water. Then kinetic energy will be there onto the turbine also. The turbine is connected to the generator. The kinetic energy of the water will be converted into electrical energy. So this is how the energy transformation will take place. Now this is a schematic representation of hydroelectric power plant. See, this is the water reservoir. So here the water will possess the potential energy. When the water will be start flowing, then it will possess kinetic energy. Then this one is the turbine. The turbine will be moving, the water will fall onto the turbine, and this the turbine is connected to the generator like this. Here the kinetic energy of the water will be converted into electrical energy. So this is how the electricity will be produced like this. So this is how the schematic representation of hydroelectric power plant is. Now there are certain advantages and disadvantages of hydroelectric power plant. Advantage is that water is freely available, so no fuel is burnt and no pollution is created. The only thing is that whenever such kind of hydroelectric power plants are set up by the government, there is the need to move the people in that area towards some safe places. So migration of the people, then submerging of the forest and the fertile land, because the fertile land and the forest will also come into that area, so that is to be submerged, or that is to be removed from there. The fertile land will also be accommodated by such hydroelectric power plant. So we will miss such fertile land, we will miss such forest, or will have to submerge such kind of fertile lands, and this is the disadvantage of the setting up of hydroelectric power plant. And it is a point of debate that whether such kind of hydroelectric power plants are really eco-friendly or not. So the advantages are given over here, that no fuel is burnt, that is why no pollution is caused. Then sufficient water storage in the dam, it is possible to generate the electricity whenever it is necessary. So whenever there is sufficient water present into the dam, we can generate electricity as per our need. And another advantage is that all the water reservoir is used for power generation, it can be replenished during rainy season. leading to uninterrupted power generation. So we will not have to face any kind of shortage or scarcity of electricity, because water is going to be freely available into the rainy season, and that is where we will get the undisturbed supply of electric or the undisturbed supply of power. So we can generate uninterrupted electrical energy with the help of such water reservoirs. Now, what are the disadvantages or what are the problems which are associated with hydroelectric power plant is that the backwater, due to storage of water in dam, may submerge villages or towns in that area. So we'll have to destroy the destroy in the sense we'll have to take the area which was once occupied by the villages and the towns, and that area will be utilized for the setting up of the power plant, the hydroelectric power plant. So the problem of rehabilitation of the people is going to be the main problem. Then the population is to be given a proper place for living, they have to be rehabilitated. Then the forest and the fertile land will also come under the area, that the land which was once occupied by the fertile lands and the submerged and the forest will have to be used for the utilization of the hydroelectric power plant. So this is also one of the problem. Then obstruction of flow of river water may have adverse effect on living world in the river, because we have to obstruct the water of the river, then the aquatic life will have to suffer. And what happens over here, the water is heated. Whenever the electricity is generated, that is going to be the hot water, and then that is released back into the water reservoirs. So naturally hot water will decrease the proportion of oxygen and the aquatic life will have to suffer. So these are certain disadvantages of hydroelectric power plant. Rest of the things we shall learn into next week.